Hi, this is Neil Mavis will save us, and I'm here to show you how to fix a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Stow and Go door. There's a door latch that's supposed to lift this door up, but it's broken and I can't open the door. So the only way it seems like I can open this is to go to the dealer. I can't put a tool in here because there's a metal slot that blocks it. I've tried sliding a credit card under here and to wedge open the latch, and I can't get it open. So it's kind of frustrating that I can't open this door and I can't get to the storage and I can't get the seat to come up. So I'm going to show you a really quick, easy way that saves you a lot of money so you don't have to take this to the dealer. Here I'm on the opposite side of the car from the door latch that's broken. So over here, this door latch does work, and notice that I can lift it up. Basically have this door get out of the way. So now notice that I have access to the other door on the other side. And notice I'm going to lift up the door right here. There. And you could hear it pop. It popped open, and it had enough flex in it where the latch on the other side was able to pop free. So we're over on the broken latch side door, and we now have it open. I lift open the door, and this is the latch that's broken. Notice that I can pull this latch, and the latch here is actually moving, so therefore the lever inside the latch is broken, and the only way to replace it and fix it is through taking this screw off and that screw off, and it takes some special hex screwdrivers to do that. I can eventually do that, but do I want to spend about 20 bucks on this part to get it fixed? That will be up to you, but the easy, lazy workaround is just to pull it open. So if both of these doors were broken, the way that I could open them up with both latches broken is just come to the middle of the car, right here where the doors intersect, and pull up, and you'll have to pull up really hard, but it'll bust free, and you can get these two doors open, and that way you can actually save yourself an expensive trip to the car dealer to get the doors fixed.